Some workhouses, at certain times, had more than one deaf inmate. Anne McEneaney was a deaf inmate of Carrickmacross workhouse, but she wasn't the only one. In 1909, a hearing woman, Bridget Finegan, was living in Carrickmacross Union workhouse, and she brought Anne to the local Petty Sessions Court and accused her of throwing something at her head in the workhouse. In court, one of the court staff wrote the evidence down for Anne. Anne replied in a good hand and cross-questioned Bridget. Anne had her own complaints, being interfered with in the kitchen by Bridget and having milk stolen from her. The workhouse master was then examined. He felt that Anne was excitable because she was deaf. The official Petty Sessions order book states that the charge was proved, but the court felt that, having regard to the mental condition of defendant, it is inexpedient to inflict any punishment, and they dismissed the charge. Interestingly, Anne was declared by the workhouse master to be not so bad as the dummy already committed to prison in that same court recently. Who was the other deaf person? It was Annie Eakins, who, the previous month, had been sentenced to 3 months' imprisonment in Armagh jail for assault and breaking glass in the Carrickmacross workhouse. Both women were ex-pupils of St Mary's in Cabra. Anne McEneaney entered in 1881 and Annie Eakins in 1889. Carrickmacross Workhouse is one of the few in Ireland that not only still stands but has been converted to a historic centre.